right where you landed, that's the tree you broke. Holy shit. G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here, and guess who's riding in front of me? It's Adrian, the pin-up boy for Amarok, Australia. I haven't seen him since the Frying Pan Creek campaign. And behind me is Mad Mal. He hasn't ridden with me since he broke his ribs at Frying Pan Creek. And rounding out the awesome foursome team was none other than Anthony the Dingus. And because the boys haven't ridden for a while, today's ride was going to be easy. That's if Mal could get his act together. Look at you. Have a look at you. There's a leech on you. Where? On your back. Serious? Your shoulder, yeah. Yeah, it's moving! Get it off! No way! There's not a leech on you, you weirdo. Would you shut up? Anyone seen Wayne?
I think he's leaning on a tree.
Hang on a second. Hang on. God damn, my toilet paper's missing. Where are you? Wayne? Wayne? Turn your bike on! Go! Where the are you going? I don't know. I'm going through here. Get out of the way! Ooh, they're an impatient bunch of dickheads. Lucky for me, it took them ages to get under there because just down the trail, they missed my little fall. I was laying waist deep in water here, so I was in a bit of a hurry. I was picturing leeches swimming up my every orifice. Plus, I didn't want the other 3 drongos to see me laying on my back like a tortoise, unable to get up. Now let me just jump ahead on this track. Up ahead I wanted to check out a trail that my mate Big Jared, one of the Wattos boys, had told me about. And just as we came to the trail we ran into 3 enduro riders who told us you don't want to go there. Well, not unless you're Graham Jarvis. Well, I didn't know who she was, so we were gonna hit that trail. I mean, let's face it, how bad could it possibly be? And here we are. We found ourselves on the trail we were warned about. What a mistake to follow Adrian the pin-up boy. We were completely lost now. It appeared we were riding through a Pacific island that had just been hit by a cyclone. Anyway, I quickly got out of there and got lost on my own. Oh, I had to show the boys this crash scene, so I headed off down the trail about, I don't know, 1 or 2 kilometres and found Mel and Anthony waiting for the pin-up boy.
Hey, I'll ride it for you. I'll ride it up here. Get on it!
Meanwhile, back at the crime scene...
The whole bike got picked up. Shit. Yep.
Finally, we found the right bloody trail! We were now ready to move forward. Onward and upward was our motto. Well, just for a short while. Now it's at this point in the ride that it's just Mel and I up here. Who knows where Adrian or Anthony are? I mean, it took us long enough to get up here. It's all uphill, it's slippery and greasy, but this is where we found ourselves.
There's no way it's getting up there. I need a bigger runoff. I got me handlebar on the tree.
Now there's a big hole, you idiot.
Well, you know, you wanted me to go from there. Hey! No! Holy shit! Whoops! Whoops! You alright?
Yeah, I just checked my GPS.
You what?
My GPS.
You broke it.
No, it's alright.
Did you
There's petrol going everywhere.
hell? hell?
And that, boys and girls, is how you flip a bike.